output of HTML code using you can use and basic configuration. So for the step save, you so create new folder and desktop, and suppose a new folder example, and the new folder file name code the extension is HTML. Okay, so here now Notepad. Okay, we have on code HTML, so execute into Google Chrome option to file, and you now is safe. Okay, there have desktop folder name example and new HTML code. Now here click open, you can open it on Google Chrome. So you can see hello, subscribe guys. So if change you have the code support. Okay, this way you can show output of your channel using Notepad and Google. And this is you can do guys, easy step, run HTML code using Notepad on Google Chrome. Guys, if this video helpful for you, comment, like, share this video for more content. See you on another video soon. Thanks for watching again.